Let's see. So got my hose hooked up to it. Put on the wire first.